Mame mamu akwa ba bag and some TVGH. Mesra like, comment, subscribe, turn no notification also so that anytime you post a video, it say you stand make. We shall for unto quite baby see NDC munu media. I cannot wait for them to start. I mean, maybe I've violence will be at a minute. Because you see, when MPP, when we were doing our elections, no, Charlie, we heard all the kind of commentaries. Na yen na no more NDC mo na mo. E can NDC phone kwa nka MPP primaries no. Presidential primaries January mo no. Anka we should tables, ladders and chairs so anka yen kunkun ye hu nyina. Ba nyakupa opinyame opeboni. We went through primaries, it came out, they were thinking said the party will not survive the primaries, but here we are today. Whether we are all united or not, we know that the West is past, the West is gone. But NDC for the afena omuko. Na Honorable Muntaka our Interior Minister ni constituency mu. Tension na ebueli ibano, ebuboba on the constituency enye easy. One of the popular figures Yakubu Tony eka say onu nire eye kind of saying as a omo branch constituency officer, communications officer, right? But before Obe returning from Mecca, no, ye ne ire free ho. Ye ne ire every album nemo. Now the reason for removing any ire free album nemo ni say, according to allegations are no kasa a level against Muntaka ni say, ye see nipa Muntaka supporting no, ni ire on to abamasa nipa no. And the best way ni say they should remove the wife from album. Now onu neka say. And to say NDC for fail, say I don't more expect say election now mabeko from the various organization be peaceful peaceful and to be deadlier and more violent than whatever has happened in MPP. Na me MPP ni me tell say be say na many. Yeah. You see, when you live in a glass house, don't throw stones. Kakra Asedun Ketia versus Haruna Idrisu. Na to force mu ye kra no. Mo amuhwe the way ka danka destabilize abani nyina governance ni nyina. Then can imagine what is going to happen when they start the competition proper. Almost start yankasa na campaign starting and for throw jobs na president also ye lame dark and all those things are. It's going to be very beautiful. It's going to be a very good time for content creation. And this side here, we cannot wait for NDC to start. Because I mean, say yes, almost started there. When you say wrestling more, I did be why no tables, ladders, and chairs. A match. Some match net meeting kunya bubon crofo and all those things. And you never be see NDC mo. But I because we need a formidable opposition. And so 2028, ebe falama MPP dodo. And see, we say NDC will not end up fragmented beyond repairs, damaged beyond repairs for 2028, so that they can give us a good opposition, they can give us a run for our money. Because what is obvious, and then they say, 2028, 7 December, Ghanaians are going to vote massively for Alhaji Mamudu Bawumia. As for that one, it's certain, it's conk. Every other matter is just other matters. And so that is a breaking news from Asawasi constituency. Let's go and listen to this aggrieved NDC member.
National Democratic Congress, NDC. MC Medikai Abo, Council of Elders Abasu, Alhaji Mama Idrisu Moni, Alhaji Wudi Ayamu. Mebo mo abaso say mrebi tension bi yaba party no mu bo mati ma control sa tension no ye bebo mo abaso say enna MB before aye mo elections ewie aka ye de mom who say ntakwa no a MP before ku ye no yesu ye nkubi obi a wakase ntakwa no ye nkubi a oboa obi a wakase santa kwa nkitinkiti na yankunu yankubi NDC ya yankubi oboa hwe selective justice be a cost war your constituency me constituency interior minister constituency me too kwai me ni Ghana me too kwai me buy no me yiri before me betu kwai kono me yiri na communication officer for 80 years branch communication officer for 80 years. And I'm saying, me, Yakubu Tonedu. Nipano MP interior minister support to know. Me to about manu a facts. Me hearing to about manu. This area because me hearing no where interior minister the office no. Interior minister better my a conviction is say what want to about my dear open. But me did a what? Me hearing what to about my. The interior minister support to the me want me support to the pakuro. Me feel back a me banu. What my me hearing thing and our money will be full for buying. Say, we were per Muntaka, Maybe so say Muntaka when in a decree was soon buy. Sada omukoye sa what the confusion between the constituency chairman and the MP. What will you be different? Could you imagine say some branch up to now yatima nyane pabako am feel some branch I 8 unkwasi sam because I say yaka nukura chire omu yaka nukura chire interior minister me maka nukura chire interior minister say wonu MP wonu interior minister wonu chairman takono ai mu kune ntakohunu mu siesie mu ntem body amimi enu intino some of us say ebia MP bi akuku ntakwa mu sirisiri mini mu nyadin hwe bedu ha ye be populos ada say mimi constituency me feel say be the injustice kotum na say anya me to be frank me for say bet kuntakwa because me yiri adenti na ye me yiri din film me support party no region no every election bia me support out of 48 constituency no me ko 28 constituency ma bo mu kakra in my constituency ya be say me MP say 2020 pick up na ya di sisa basi nipa say o mun ko register no aye me pick up na ye use ye intinu one pay Muntaka mun sorry o wo mu gu constituency no wo mu gu Asawasi interior minister so waka na so aye say interior minister waka na so aye say mi kwaka yesi ma kwa me kantini ma menkasa wala ka che say wo kwa me ka wo ni kura menka enti obi a obati me akase ena ntakwa ye de yankuntakwa mu bua because me mpini ma yensisimi selective justice na omu ye no wo munja wo ka no kura tire politician na wa da ni paboni ya ka no kura ka tire interior minister say no wo mo ni tira mo mu kuntakwa hunu sai na mi ka tire no enti na ma ya atamfo mekasa mu wiase japade ama mu famane I will say it because me mpini me wu dia dia me be kuntakwa this is the yiri adi ahemu. Salam alaikum.
Police and our state security. Now all of a sudden, so Katachi free fakre kohokra, a no any party with that ben a say political party be organizing a na police food drew or so more quackopata. Na police food drew two kick some of your ya. Just ascent to quack a CB and a sea police phone to yes so Jeffrey Famti said your bar on or kum nipa anasa ye. Moma yen should be MPP phone should be ye pa strategy. Strategy NDC for the state institutions no. First. Meme wo concern me no. Either say oketeke free for air prepare. Also must study MPP for modus of operandi. A drew MPP for primaries ya na ha jene. Oh nanwa than a year parliamentarians. The court to a party co-position. She girl be a war, fine girl a oye a juma kakra. Okoye 4 years, oh no, bisuswa base mi babi tuno titem bia emfa ahoto emma political party. But oko NDC for strongholder. Yenta nyo sa. Te bia obehu se achia wa obaye obebon ho modern bebrebe nyina. Ene me utie ni chairman. Ene nkrofo bi kasa. Oh, eso hwe ade asenso boachi aye. Enti me oketechie free fire me what two concerns either say oketechie free fire preparing the ground so obeko independence because if it's oketechie free fire ye nyina ye support ye penasam but ohwa time ma ye yi ni nyina no ala with Canada Japan so mo hye no so a ena ye ni say the base for so ayo
asama wo kan mintua no
utie
mahuni a post bi a ba say NPP for mpanifo act a I said they work an independent no be ko independent
media ha niema mi hunu no ansa na esin tabia me na fo ka kyerem say Tommy wo chen ayi chese hwe ade bia wo hwe o say time ayekoye primaries ni nyina na support Canada Japan and obaye no constituency na wakọ no youth no also wo followers were outside youth ne but constituency ho no emu achemi no mrantie no penasem social media owayi but ohwe ground hososo a se ne mumu bebre aka no onu anim se no wakeka kansem bi a party for mapa on se party ne wo die hard party a se party ne wo nakoma so we are ade tia party na onfa nchow sankrofo no dɔɔso wɔ hɔ ɛna ɔwɔ social media so ɔyɛ vibrant a ɔba bɛyɛ ne program ahwɛ nipa na efolo no sankrofo no so nye nipa ne nyinaa na to aba o ɔmo pɛ na sem a ɔmo yɛ party ma obi wɔ hɔ kora wɔ abrokyire ha eduru ha ɔno kora ntwa ticket kora no akɔ Ghana so ɔkɔ akɔto aba enso no support ayi oketichi afrifa na wahyɛ MPP fo mu nso a wahyɛ MPP fo abato nso a tebia ye kwakoye election bia na abon no na omasesa abon no nipa na okwakọ contest the current MP no omu yisu abon no saa omu yisu abon no omu yisu abon issues saa na omu de ho aye basa na independent ntimi de madwene ye me se oketiye free fan support Canada Japan no any the base for no se omo koye sa with state because se NDC for no so no omo party no gu animguase ye no nanka political party ba ko a omo a na ye omo primary so omo the case no kura court and ebi so omo ko ha asojafo ye state yi sa tu no omo kototo NDC mo hwe eniema NDC for ye omo kura ban wa ban mu no Ushe ni omo yo omo niema bi wo mo party constitution da be na ko hu so omo tototo sa kind of tu no na asojafo di rainbow style ekokoye sa de omo nwene ho yie me de niema bebre ye masum na wo sa niema wo ya eye den eko me ba ayod or the same miracle aboaje de no so MPP for MPP ye very weak senior ye can ofi says Sameja Mfimu tama no more opposition na Sameja Mfi darling boy of NDC and anka MPP for koko fa no weekend ya wako baby ba nko china no pa Monday nka hwa akra baby kro wo no ke be block ho nyina
mintua no
enso
etra no pa ebisi wo ka so a ebisi we NDC time omoche sa ka so a MP I think say MP we are wo so anase sene ba sene de ni bibi Messi cantonment police station ma sa dana nimre
me see
ma
enso obia ni madwuma Miracle Abuaje nkwa on his own etima handle NDC power bebia. And so MPP say leadership say youth na ewom no TikTok na mo ya ade kese say ye chimon pennyfo anka mo nyina mo be keka mo no mo so mass up enka ya NDC fo anka sami jamfi pa nanka anasa o mo nkrofo bia nka china obema nka security for mo be ja mo say ochina ye ja security for na ama everything is normal. Politics no me hunu baby NDC MPP for mo amunim NDC for by mo nkrofo nyina take on say o shada creating narrative bi say obi kodidi Canada Japan na anaso kodidi Mahama ade che na o makọ na nipa ne ayi odesen Baumia could
Say 1 minute now don't see mama.
yeah, okay. Now Baumia na shisha a narrative or more creative. She NDC for Kevin Taylor no Captain Smart no nyina. Enya atem di ya no nyina dia ma NDC. E wa be mo da so timpedifo. Adidi himfo nyina atem. Esu omo person omo created diabolic said Baumia no na shisha. This MPP form pennyfo na die nimu now general secretary ni leadership no anase Baumia na nkasa so amanani am na forma kwan omode party ni be NDC for no monyo omadwe so obeja amamuo na amamu easy sao they are performing abysmal in Guase bomb so this man fight strategy am fight here enyama bebre enko yie.
Okay, medase nyankopon shaw Ghana Jollof Bramu bi